Hey there, it's Chef Malika here. If the cooler months, have you thinking about boosting your immune system the natural way, listen, I have got you something very special. See, I have just put together a beautiful guide called Golden Rule 25 Traditional Immune Boosting Syrup. Okay, for modern wellness, it's completely alcohol free. Yeah, trust me, alcohol free, natural recipes using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Such as like you name it, honey, for example. We have ginger, citrus. Think of it as your go-to kitchen companion, for staying well this season. As you guys know, a lot of flu is going around now. But I will walk you through simple time honor syrup, like honey, ginger blend for those sniffles, or a cozy clove, and you also feeling your best. Trust me, it works. Okay, those are my grandma's secret. It works. If you are like me and you prefer to skip the shot, for me it just get me sick, so I decided for years ago I don't take the shot anymore. And the stress and just lean on traditional holistic way to support your immune system, I got you. Then you are going to love this PDF. Okay, so grab your copy, start brewing up some goodness. I promise you it works, and let's stay well together. See you inside. But before I do go, I want to show you the one I made myself. And this one is done. Oh my Lord. Look this. Look this. And this is made on the December 30th, 2025. I promise you, like, smells so good. And let go ahead and do a taste. Why not? As you can see, I'm trying to say, I hope you guys can see all of this goodness right here. Okay, so let's go in and scoop. I'm telling you, like, the thing about my grandmother, man, that we don't have pharmacy. This is our pharmacy, literally. Like, our pharmaceutical is the bush, the spice, her kitchen. So let's go and do a taste. Okay, mine. So this one right here, it got honey, and I do have this recipe, this exact recipe on the PDF. It got honey. We have clove. We also have cardamom. We have ginger, and we have onions. Oh yes, Lord, you'll be amazed how much onion can do for you on a cold month. We also have I said clove already, ginger, cardamom, and we have the honey, and this had to be a raw honey. Okay, you want organic raw, please give you a favor and get something that is that you can trust. Okay, I promise you, if you can give your children or you or your spouse just little tablespoon of this every morning, I promise you, you're gonna feel your best. Okay, so winter mother, nothing on you. Okay, again, this is Coach Malika, and I see you inside. Ciao for now.